Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by rolling hills, there was a magical forest called the Whispering Woods. The trees in the forest were so ancient that their branches whispered secrets when the wind blew. But only the pure of heart could hear them. One sunny morning, a curious girl named Mia decided to explore the woods with her loyal dog, Patches. Mia had always wondered what the trees whispered about, and today, she felt brave enough to find out. As Mia and Patches wandered deeper into the woods, they noticed a trail of sparkling golden leaves. The leaves seemed to lead them to a tree with a glowing hollow. From within, a gentle voice whispered, "The forest star is missing. Can you help us?" Mia looked at Patches, who wagged his tail in agreement. "Of course, we'll help," she replied. The voice continued, "The forest star keeps the woods alive and full of magic. It was taken by the mischievous wind sprites who live near the moonlit pond." Following the trail, Mia and Patches reached the pond just as the sun began to set. The water shimmered like silver, and tiny sprites danced above it, holding the glowing forest star. Mia clapped her hands gently to catch their attention. "Oh, beautiful sprites," she said kindly, "the forest needs the star to stay alive. Will you return it?" The sprites giggled and said, "We'll return it if you solve our riddle." They floated in a circle and chanted, "I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air to glow. What am I?" Mia thought hard. Then, she smiled and said, "It's a fire." The sprites clapped joyfully and handed Mia the forest star. "You're as clever as you are kind," they said. "Take this back and keep the woods magical." Mia thanked them and hurried back to the glowing hollow. As she placed the star inside, the entire forest lit up with golden light, and the trees whispered, "Thank you, Mia and Patches." From that day on, Mia often visited the Whispering Woods, and the trees always greeted her with the friendliest whispers. And so, under the glow of the forest star, Mia, Patches, and the magical woods lived happily ever after.